Alright, well, you joined me on this beautiful snowy day, which was just too nice not to capture, here with my Tesla, and, of course, yet another Tesla in spitting distance, although I don't think we should spit on it. But I wanted to show off some more accessories today, including a way that you can ensure you can still get your dashcam footage even when you might be rocking out with your iPod. So stick with me and I'll show you in a second.
That's right.
Alright, so in my last video I showed how you can use this CD player from Pospo and your iPod Classic to get some old school tunes while you're driving around in your Tesla. But what if you want to listen to both of them at once, or use them while still being able to record dashcam and Sentry mode footage? That is exactly where this USB hub comes in and can help save the day. So, in newer versions of the Tesla, the only USB, like old standard USB, not USB-C, that's available is here in the glove box, and there's only one port, so you can't use multiple devices at once. But with a hub like this one, which is designed to perfectly fit right there, you can now plug in your iPod and your dashcam one. So it's important that this one goes over into this one blue slot, which is designed for use with cameras. Alright, so I have to do one hand. There we go. And you can even get your... Oops. We're going in a second, mister. You can even get your CD player here too. And there's a USB-C port in here as well, if you want to charge your phone or get that plugged in or anything. Alright, so now we've got all of our devices attached, and let's see, we should see USB in a second. Oops, sorry, I made a mistake before. So your audio device should be all the way in the left here, and your dashcam one can go into the other ones. Alright, let's just make sure we still see our dashcam. Oops. So, yep, that's working. And now you can see that I am recording, and I'm able to play my music off the iPod here. Very cool. Alright, and there we've got our iPod music. Alright, so I'm going to put on an appropriate song for while the kids are in the car. And we're going to get out of here. Alright, so a perfect way to get multiple devices at once. It works! It works, Arla! What do you think? What do you think? Awesome. Alright, that's great news. So, we got some new music listening options now. Alright, well, I'll have all of these items linked below in the description, and you make sure to use my links and codes to save as you purchase these, and that does help go back and support the channel. So I appreciate that. With that, thank you so much for watching. Hope you found some things that might help you with your Tesla, or even if they'll work for another car. Alright, well, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Alright, well, thank you for sticking around this long. If you have, I would like to potentially reward you with a giveaway that I'm doing on a bunch of these items. So all you have to do to win is be subscribed to the channel, leave a comment below. You can say anything at all that you want. And you need to be in the US so that I can ship these to you. And what I'll do is just pick a random comment and subscriber from below, and they'll be the winner, and I'll send this stuff on out to them. So make sure you don't miss it.